So we are busy with BZK. We are busy with a consortium that is very promising, and we have GB to back us up with the initial ordering of the generator containers. We are also discussing possibilities with funds, like for example the Groeifonds, the BM Keep B funds, the SDE++ funds, and the European Bank. But these instances are especially sensitive the moment you present them with a proposal to invest in the long-term investment being alternative green energy. And there are options to open these negotiations, but our focus now is first to get these containers on the island, and then further to order the 3 big units, to have enough finance, to have the plant ready for them, and afterward, after 2 years, to have especially a vision and execution plan for alternative energy. I will go one step more and then I have to stop. There are enough goodwill, I understood, on supervisory board level of the EEB to see if it's possible for us to start ordering the containers as soon as possible. And for me, it's about in the coming week, 2 weeks, if it's for me. Realize that we are as the government, we are the shareholder reps of this construction with the GEBE. I have a function to be informed. I have a function to give advices, but decision making on technical level, execution level, you have in the construction of corporate governance, you will have to actually leave that part to the managerial board and the supervisory board of GEBE. So I did not present it initially, the solutions, but I have been working very, very, very hard to get a solution. And as you can hear now, I have presented you the solutions that we have for the GEBE. And we are, unfortunately, we will not be able to go with the barge boat because of the high price tag. We will have to go with the generator containers.